Are you ready to finally crack the code on turning leads into real, tangible income? Let's get real. Leads alone aren't money. The real magic happens when you have high-quality leads that are ready to convert. Leads you can close or even sell to businesses desperate for paying clients. That's where the real income begins. Imagine this. Not just collecting names and numbers, but identifying high-quality leads that are primed to buy. Leads you can close or even sell to businesses hungry for new customers. After years of struggling with outdated lead generation methods, wasting time, money, and energy on tools that never delivered results, AI Leadsmate creator, Mr. Firas Alami decided enough was enough. He decided to create a system that could eliminate the difficulties and inefficiencies of traditional lead generation and finally make it simple, effective, and profitable. It was a system that takes the guesswork out of finding and converting leads. It's not just about the volume of leads you collect, it's about their quality and how easily they can turn into actual revenue. And when you have high-quality leads, you're not just collecting data, you're closing deals and building a pipeline of consistent, predictable income. Let me show you exactly what I mean with these testimonials. Now here's the thing. Most people are stuck using outdated methods that don't work anymore. They're wasting hours chasing low-quality leads that go nowhere, spending money on ads with no return, and juggling multiple tools that create more headaches than results. But what if there was a way to change all that? What if you could instantly identify and prioritize leads that are most likely to convert? Introducing Leadsmate AI. Find leads that practically sell themselves without the grind or guesswork. Not only that, you can also use Leadsmate AI to start your own lead generation agency, offering businesses exactly what they're desperate for. Qualified buyers. Here's how it works. Step 1. Log in and start instantly. Just enter your business category, keywords, or target location. Leadsmate AI pulls leads from multiple platforms in seconds. No manual searching required. Step 2. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. Advanced AI sorts and scores your leads, showing you exactly which prospects are more likely to convert. It even suggests personalized opening lines that grab attention and increase your chances of closing the deal. Step 3. Take action and watch the results roll in with just a few clicks. Reach out to your leads through email, SMS, or social media. Leadsmate AI helps you craft messages that resonate, making it easier to build trust and close sales. And here's the kicker. Not only can you use this for your own business, but you can also start offering lead generation as a service. Businesses everywhere are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality leads they can act on immediately. Now imagine this: finding leads for a local dentist and helping them book more patients. Helping a real estate agent connect with serious buyers and sellers. Partnering with a digital agency that's struggling to file quality prospects with Leadsmate AI, you're not just helping yourself, you're creating a business opportunity that's in high demand. Still skeptical? Here's the proof. Right now, you have the chance to get lifetime access to Leadsmate AI. Yes, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. Just one powerful dashboard that does it all and sets you up for long-term success. But you need to act fast. This limited time offer won't not last. Once we switch to a subscription model, this deal is done for good. Click the bottom below to get started today. Don't let outdated methods hold you back any longer. Your next sale or your next big client is just a few clicks away. Let's make it happen.